Dongguan Density New Energy Co. Limited. Since its inception more than 1 decade ago, our company has been engaging in lithium-ion new energy industry and focusing on manufacturing of rechargeable lithium-ion cells and battery pack assembly, providing various energy solutions for different kinds of end products. Our company has been assessed by NOA certification and is found to comply with ISO 9001. All our products meet various international standards, such as CE, CQC, BIS, PSE, CB, etc. In addition, the company owns multiple trademarks and patents in its profession. The company has a number of manufacturing plants in Hunan and Guangdong provinces, and has possessed ability of self-industrial cycling based on strong system work of high-end research and mass production. Forming its energy solution supply chain and mastered core advantages and strengths in terms of cell manufacturing, BMS design, molding creation, and battery pack assembly, which makes it possible for us to rapidly answer and perfectly fulfill the needs of our customers. Currently, our pack solutions are widely used in different kinds of end products, including consumer electronics, such as laptop PC, solar energy storage system, 5G devices, smart home appliances, power tools, and low-speed electric vehicles, etc. Standing in the forefront of surging wave of global industry 4.0 and Made in China 2025, we see infinite opportunities and challenges. Never forget why you started, and your mission can be accomplished. We firmly believe that it is scientific business management that incessantly increases corporate profitability, that keeping on innovation and maintaining continuous R&D investment will promote the sustainable development of our enterprise, that continuously optimizing our product range and restructuring our industry placement to secure stable supply of products with reliable quality at best price are the best return gift on customer trust. Keeping focused makes one professional. Starting from a low squat, you can jump higher and go further beyond. Entering into new era of development, we will strive to create sustainable, comprehensive, competitive advantages to fulfill your needs and to be a complete lithium-ion energy solution provider.